I graduated from Texas Christian University in 2000. I worked for a little bit in the entertainment industry. I wrote for a living as well. And then I went to law school at Texas Tech University. And that's where I met my wife. Following law school, I worked for a federal judge. I did what's called a clerkship. And that's basically where you sit in court and you help a judge with motions, research, do some writing. After I worked for that judge, I did criminal defense first in Houston, Texas. And I worked in both federal court and state court. Over the years, I've developed a passion for criminal defense. Growing up, my dream was not to be an attorney, and I can't say that I had a passion to do criminal defense. But once I started working these cases and working with my clients and working with like-minded people, like-minded attorneys that really want to help people with these cases, with their defense, I found out that I was good at it. Oftentimes when people are arrested, it's the lowest point in their lives. They feel helpless, they're facing losing their job, sometimes their marriage is ending, it affecting their ability to see their children, to stay in even their house. It's easy to want to help people like that. I can't point to one day where I came up with this notion or I was surprised like, hey, I don't know, it just kind of gradually happened. I know that when someone hires me that I'm gonna do a really good job. I had that confidence, and I know because of my track record, I can do a good job for that person. And through helping my clients, working these cases the way they need to be worked, I found out that I have a passion to help them, but also I can help them because I'm good at it. I met Benson in law school. He was a year ahead of me. We had a mutual friend, and he was just a good guy. So we developed a friendship that lasted, and that was back in 2009, so almost 14 years ago. I met Anna shortly after Benson and Anna began this law firm, Varghese Summersett. I was working at the DA's office at the time as an appellate prosecutor, and we met after work one day, and I had noticed their presence online and actually had brought up to Benson that I thought his blogs were really good, and his blogs where he'll write about various legal issues. I thought they were informative, but also well written, and so I was kind of complimenting him on that. When I went back to criminal defense after I left the DA's office, it was actually something that I would go to when I would begin my research. I would say, well, has Benson and Anna, have they written something about this on their website? And then as I saw their law firm grow, I said, I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of something that is excellent. There are plenty of good law firms around, but there aren't that many excellent law firms around. And in fact, you may hear good is the enemy of great. I wanted to be great, and that's why I came to Varghese Summersett. I would like to continue to grow the Dallas office. I want to turn the Dallas office into what they have here in Fort Worth. I want to create a culture of excellence there. And I believe we've already made the first steps to doing that in Dallas.